Whether you're a seasoned professional or a recent graduate, mastering the art of cover letter writing is essential in today's competitive job market. This video will guide you through the key components of effective cover letters and examine how generative AI can be leveraged to enhance your writing skills and streamline your process. A well-crafted cover letter is your opportunity to present a compelling case for why you're the ideal candidate for a position. It's a narrative that introduces you to potential employers and goes beyond the resume, allowing you to convey your personality, passion, and unique qualifications for a job or internship. Consider the cover letter your chance to make a memorable first impression and stand out in the hiring process. Before we dive into the finer details of crafting an exceptional cover letter, let's take a moment to understand and avoid some common pitfalls. These mistakes can significantly impact the effectiveness of your cover letter and, consequently, your chances of landing an interview. Sending out generic cover letters can make you blend into the crowd. It's important to make your application stand out by expressing your eagerness, excitement, or passion for a job function, company, or industry. Additionally, a one-size-fits-all approach rarely works. We'll explore the importance of customizing your cover letter for each application and aligning your skills and experiences with the unique requirements of the job. When it comes to the length of your cover letter, remember that attention spans are short, and hiring managers often have numerous applications to review. It's important to present compelling content concisely, ensuring your cover letter captures attention without overwhelming the reader. By understanding and steering clear of these common mistakes, you'll be better positioned to create cover letters that make a lasting impact. Let's now move forward and delve into the key components of a successful cover letter. Creating an effective cover letter involves understanding its three key components: the introduction, the body, and the conclusion. The introduction sets the stage and hooks the reader. The body highlights your qualifications and demonstrates that you are a great fit for that specific position, not just any position. And the conclusion leaves a lasting impact. Together, they form a cohesive and persuasive narrative that can make a significant impact on hiring managers. Let's look a little more closely at each section of the cover letter. The introduction is your chance to capture the reader's attention and make a memorable first impression. Whenever possible, personalize your introduction by addressing the hiring manager by name. This demonstrates attention to detail and a genuine interest in the specific role. Personalization is key. You want to clearly convey your enthusiasm for the role and the company. Let your excitement shine through in your words, making it evident that you're genuinely interested in contributing to the organization. You can also consider starting your cover letter with a brief anecdote or story that relates to your passion for the position. This can create an emotional connection and immediately engage the reader. Remember, the goal of the introduction is to entice the reader to continue reading and create anticipation for the rest of your cover letter. Here's an example of an introduction paragraph for an internship application. Pause the video now to take a closer look at how this section incorporates the strategies that I just mentioned. As we transition into the body of your cover letter, we'll explore the art of customization, a process often referred to as tailoring. This is where you align your skills, experiences, and achievements with the specific requirements of the job. You should carefully review the job description and identify keywords and phrases, and integrate these seamlessly into your cover letter, demonstrating that you understand the company's needs and possess the desired skills. If the job requires proficiency in specific software, mention your experience or a class project where you utilize that software effectively. Remember, tailoring your cover letter is about demonstrating that you've not only read the job description, but also understand the company's goals and how you can contribute to its success. Another impactful strategy is to research the company's values and culture and align your experiences with these aspects to demonstrate your compatibility with the organization. For example, if the company values innovation, mention a project where you spearheaded a creative initiative that led to positive outcomes. Here's an example of a cover letter body paragraph. Pause the video now to take a closer look at how to implement these strategies. The last piece of the writing process focuses on crafting a conclusion that leaves a lasting impression. The conclusion is your final opportunity to reinforce your interest, express gratitude, and set the stage for next steps. In crafting your conclusion, be sure to express genuine enthusiasm for the role, acknowledge the opportunity to apply, and set the stage for those next steps. Your goal is to make it clear that you're not just submitting a cover letter, but expressing a genuine interest in becoming a valuable member of the team. Take a look at this example of a strong cover letter conclusion. Now, let's turn our attention to generative AI. Generative AI has become an invaluable tool in various fields, including content creation, and it's no exception when it comes to crafting cover letters. This technology has the potential to revolutionize the initial stages of your application process by offering a unique perspective on content generation. Generative AI, in the context of cover letter writing, acts as a supportive companion, assisting you in generating context-specific and personalized content. It's designed to understand the nuances of language and job requirements and can draw connections between your resume and the position description. This capability can provide a solid foundation for your cover letter drafts and streamline the early stages of your application process, offering efficiency without compromising the individuality and authenticity that make your cover letter uniquely yours. Let's take a look at the benefits and considerations of integrating generative AI into your cover letter writing process. While generative AI offers benefits like customization and time saving, it's essential to remember that it is a tool, not a replacement for your unique voice. Just like we wouldn't want you to copy and paste an example cover letter from our resource guide, you shouldn't immediately copy and paste the results of your AI-generated content. On the next slide, we'll take a look at some examples of how to leverage generative AI as a supportive tool while maintaining your authenticity and individuality. Oftentimes, the hardest part of writing a cover letter is just getting started. If that's the case for you, start the writing process by overcoming writer's block with generative AI assistance. An initial draft can serve as a foundation for your creativity and help you get the ball rolling. These prompts offer a structured starting point for generating content that aligns with your interests and goals. Use these prompts as a springboard and allow generative AI to provide you with an initial draft. From there, you can personalize and refine the content to make it truly your own. After you've gotten started, you can continue to leverage generative AI to build the body of your cover letter. By using these types of prompts, generative AI can assist with honing in on specific skills that are crucial for a particular role and generate content that emphasizes these core skills using the information from your resume. This ensures that the body of your cover letter is not only tailored to the specific requirements of the job, but is also reflective of your individual experiences and strengths. But remember, these prompts are designed to assist you in generating content efficiently. As you proceed, it's absolutely necessary for you to customize and personalize the generated content to ensure it's accurately describing your experiences and skills. In addition to reviewing the content for accuracy and validity, you should then review and customize the generated content to reflect your individual writing style, tone, and personality. If your cover letter doesn't sound like you, but you're not sure what adjustments to make, you can always start by copy and pasting a paper that you've written in the past into the AI generator and ask it to more closely match your writing style and vocabulary. By following these steps, you can effectively integrate generative AI into your cover letter writing process. To wrap up, let's go over a few more quick tips to ensure your cover letters are as effective as possible. These tips will help you create a polished and impactful document that enhances your job applications. When crafting your cover letter, be specific about your experiences and achievements. However, ensure that you maintain conciseness. You want to keep your cover letter to one page to ensure that it is a quick and engaging read. If you've been referred by an alumnus or have specific contacts within the company, don't hesitate to mention it. Referrals can significantly strengthen your application and demonstrate your network connections. Consistency is key. Ensure that the formatting of your cover letter matches that of your resume. A unified application package showcases attention to detail. Typos and errors can detract from the professionalism of your cover letter. After you've proofread it, proofread it again. Consider using tools like spell check and grammar check to catch any lingering mistakes, and have your family, friends, mentors, or a career coach review it as well. One size doesn't fit all when it comes to cover letters. Tailor your letter for each position, company, or industry that you apply to. Customize the content to align with the specific requirements and values of the organization. As you incorporate these tips into your cover letter writing process, you'll be well equipped to create documents that have a long-lasting impression on potential employers. Crafting an effective cover letter is a continuous journey of refinement and improvement. If you have further questions or need additional resources, visit us at Career Lab drop-in hours at the Center for Career and Professional Development. The CCPD also has a variety of additional resources to support your job search in the Career Resource Library on Handshake, which is available 24/7 on the Handshake Career Center tab, as well as the ability to schedule individualized career coaching appointments with a member of our staff.